Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to get less ping, MS lag, the thing where you're not lagging because of FPS but because of servers. So first of all, you want to make sure that nobody or your family in your house or where you're staying is downloading it or uploading anything, because that usually makes you lag. On top of that, you want to check, so as you can see here, that there isn't anything else open that is not needed to be opened, because I may lag you out. And thirdly, this gonna be going here and going to account, and as you can see, region select. That's really the most important thing. You just want to select it. So for my case, I'm gonna put Europe, but you can put it wherever you want. And if you also are a streamer, you can hide your name, or I don't know, basically hide the names of other people. I don't know how it works, but yeah, that's about it. That was quick. I didn't want to make it long. So yeah, please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and yeah, peace.